welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now, I'm gonna make CRUD with Laravel and Livewire. So CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete Data. So first, you can go to browser and then search for Laravel. Right here, you can click Get Start, and then make sure that is the 10th version or the latest version, and then you can copy this one and then go to File Explorer where you can save your folder. You can click right and then show more option and then open git bash here. If you want to check your composer first, you can do that. We're gonna install the Laravel with composer. Okay, and then you can paste like this. We can erase it. Okay, and then this example app is for the name of the folder. So I want to name it Laravel Livewire like this, and then enter, and then wait until the process install is done. Okay, and then if it's done, we have the folder right here. We can open it in Visual Studio Code like this, and then we can search for the login like this. You can open the terminal. You can click run or this terminal, new terminal. And then for run is we're using PHP artisan serve. But before that, we have to turn on the XMPP, start this too, and then you can enter this. And then you can control and click like this to go right here. Now, like this, as you can see, we don't have any access, so we can just search for Laravel UI like this, and in GitHub right here. Okay, then you can scroll and copy this one, this composer require, and then you can make new terminal because the running one can disturb. You can paste it here and then enter, and then wait until the process is done, and it's done like this, and then you can run this. You can copy this one for login and register. Okay, paste it, enter, and then you can type npm e for install and wait until the install is done. Okay, and then we're gonna type npm run dev. This is for the running one too, and then you can go to env and change the database name. This is Livewire, Laravel Livewire, so we're gonna name it to Livewire like this. You can save and then open the localhost. You can go here too. You can close it, and then we can make new database like this, and we can copy from here. Copy and then paste it right here. Then create. Okay, we have this, and then we have to search for Livewire like this. And right here, we're gonna install. Okay, we're gonna copy this one. Copy, then go to new terminal and paste it right here. And wait until the install is done. It's done. After that, we can add this, include the JavaScript on every page that will be using Livewire. So we're gonna copy this before the tag head, okay? So we can go to resource and then view, views, and in the welcome. Right here, before the close tag head, right here, I'm gonna include this, and then this one before the close tag of body. Okay, right here, like this. Okay, you can save, and let's see, refresh, and right here we have login and register. This is from the Laravel UI, and then because we don't have any data, you can go right here, and then you can just clear, like this, and then type PHP artisan migrate for transfer the data. Right here in migration we have 5 data. This is what we're gonna migrate to localhost. You can enter. Okay, it's done. You can see right here, you can click. Nah, we have a 6 table, and you can click this user, and we don't have any data, right? So we're gonna register here. I'm gonna type it Laravel, and then Laravel at gmail.com. Then for the password, we should enter for like 8. So I want to, for username, for password, I want to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this, and we're gonna confirm, and then register, and we're logged in. So we can check here. You can refresh, and we have 1 data, right? And then we can go to Visual Studio Code, and then we're gonna make like Livewire. So we can clear first, and then you can type PHP artisan make Livewire, like this, and then for the name is input data, like this. You can enter, and you can see right here in the app and Livewire, you can see we have input data here, and then we have right here to this one Livewire, we have input data. We can erase it like this. We can like test here, and in the home it's this one is content like here, like your login in here. You can just close that, we don't need, like this dashboard. This is your login right here. So we can see, yeah, we can go to layout in the app right here. We have this for content. You can try to erase it like this, save, and see there's nothing here. And we can include like Livewire. I don't know, we just type it Livewire, and this is input data, like that. You can save and see we have passed. Okay, so it's work. And then we can try right here in the home. We can copy from after the section and before the end section. We can copy and paste it right here, and then after the card body you can erase it and then type it like test, like this, and then you can see like this. We can go to Bootstrap right here, Bootstrap, and yeah, right here in the docs we can copy this one because it's includes CSS and JavaScript. So we're gonna copy this and paste it right here in the app, paste it right here, and then one more is, oh no, one more is for JavaScript. This one, copy and then paste it right here, like this, save. And then we need Livewire again, like this, Livewire, and we can search in the docs, and then in the properties, in the data binding, we need this, copy, and then go to input data. But before that we need a form in the Bootstrap. Right here you can search for form, like this, and I'm gonna use this one, just this one, copy and paste it right here, like this. We have form, but I guess we don't need the form type, and the close one, and then we don't need this. Okay, and then we don't need this checkbox, and then the button. Okay, so for this one I'm gonna change it into product, and this one for the description. Okay, after that we can copy this, yeah, can copy, and then yeah, we don't need this too, so we're gonna erase it. Okay, so I'm gonna add after the class right here and wire model. This is for product, and right here is for description. description like this. And then we need button, so we can search in Bootstrap for button. And I'm gonna use this one, the blue one, and we can add right here, save, and let's see, like this, for product and description. And then we can go to this one, input data, so we can make public function just for check dollar product like this, and then the other one is public dollar description like this. You can control save, and right here we can add, right here we can add with this dollar product, and right here I'm gonna add dollar description like this, save, and let's see the output. Okay, let's test. Okay, because it's still email, the type is, we're gonna change it into text, and this one to text. You can add this to here, right here, right here, and this one too. Okay, save, and then we can continue to here, input data. Right here, we're gonna continue with extend, and then layouts, the app, and section, section, the content, like this. You can save, and then right here, you can just comment and go back to yield, the content, and then you can go to the web, in the roots, the web, right here, you can click the right one, import all class for the out, and this one, I'm gonna change it, you can erase it, and then we'll go to input data. This one we have to complete like this, the Livewire, this one, and then class, this save, and as you can see, we'll go back to this one, even if we already type it again, the yield for content, because in the web, this is where we get the home, the input data, so we go to this. And then we can open the terminal again, and we can just clear, and we're gonna make the model. You can type PHP artisan make model input, and for simple, for the migration too, we can use -m, then enter, and it makes for the model. And for the migration, we can see right here, migration, we have this for inputs, and the other one is right here in the models, we have input. Okay, and then in the migration in inputs right here, we can add another table, dollar table like this for name, and then the other one is type is not string, but the field is description. This is a long text like this, and then save, and we can use PHP artisan migrate, enter, and it's already migrate. And in the model, where's the model? No, in the model right here, we can protect like this, and the field is name and description like this, save to here. Okay, so for the public, we're gonna change it into name like this, and then we're gonna make another public function, okay, like this. This is for save like this, using this one. We're gonna use this validate, and we're not close it like this, and for the field you can enter and close. This is the close one, and then validate, enter, like this, name required, and then description required like this. And then we're gonna make another valid, we're gonna make input, No, I think it's just input or input data, and then create like this, enter, and then right here is for name, this name, and then description, this description. Yeah, like that. Save. Right here, and finally we need the tag form, so I'm gonna add right here, and this one I'm gonna add after the button. Yeah, after the button one. So it's still in card body, right? I'm gonna add right here the form, and for the button I'm gonna add right here. Okay, so can make it like this, and then in the form we have no action, so we can erase it and then change into wire. Submit prevent prevent like this, and save like that. After this one we need like an error like this, the error one, and this is name for name, and then we're gonna use span. Can you use it span like this, and below that we can make a class for text danger like this, and between the span we're gonna add dollar message first like this, and I'm gonna copy this to here. Okay, after that we're gonna make it space. Okay, and then I want to like copy for this one, copy to here, and then we can change this into name. Is this one is name, and then the type is submit. Save, and we can change this into save like this, so we're gonna change it into name. Okay, so name is para and description is entire. We can save. After we click save, it show up like this, and we can see in the inputs we have this. Okay, and we can just erase it. Yeah, like this. Erase this one too. Save, and let's try another one. Click refresh, and then yeah, if you click save, it's have to be the field. Okay, so this description is like this. You can save and refresh, and we have two data. Okay, right here. Yeah, right here we can add anchor tag, and the class is padding 4 like this, and we add button or just add like right here btn primary like this, and right here we're gonna add view data like this. Yeah, use button, and then yeah, type it here. If we don't change this class and btn primary, and then erase this one and save, and we have it like this. Okay, so we're gonna open the terminal again and type it php artisan make livewire again, livewire view data, enter, and we have it right here and right here. Okay, we can go to the web, first web right here. We're gonna make another root. We can just copy, and this one we're gonna change it into view data, and then this one change into view data right here and save. And then you can copy this one, you can close it, and we can see for the view data right here, input data, we will add right here view data, and then we're going to the view right here. I'm gonna copy this one, copy, and then you can paste it right here like this, save, and let's see, we can refresh, and if you click, we're going into the view data, another page. We can go back here, and then we're going into the view data right here because we don't have anything. You can just delete this one, and right here we're gonna copy this. You can copy until the dashboard, copy, and then paste it right here, and then enter, and you can click this, no, this one for the card. So I'm gonna copy this until until the end. So yeah, like this, copy, and yeah, paste it right here because we don't need this. Okay, I'm gonna make it pretty, and then you can see the output like this, just dashboard, right? So we're gonna search for table in the bootstrap table, and I'm gonna use the first one. You can copy and then paste it right here, paste it, and yeah, I'm gonna erase the tr below them. So I'm gonna change it to no. This is name, and this is for description like this. Change into data, just data, and then this one is for action, and the action is we're gonna erase it, and then for button, yeah, button, the class is btn danger for the red one, and then this is for delete, save, and then you can see like this, view data right here, and we're gonna make public dollar datas and close, and then right here I'm gonna add dollar this datas, this, and then equal input, yeah, I'm gonna use this model input all like this, save, and go to the view data, and we're gonna use for each. So I'm gonna use for each below the t body right here for each. Okay, this one is datas, dollar datas as dollar index equal the dollar data like this, and then I'm gonna make it below the tr right here, and then this one I'm gonna use like this, dollar index plus 1 this, and for this one I'm gonna change it into dollar data to name, and this one dollar data to description like this. You can save and see. Okay, we have like this. I'm gonna add right here wire click. This wire click is delete, and we're gonna call with the ID, right? Yeah, no, dollar data to ID, but before that we're gonna use this one. Okay, this save, and we're gonna make for the public function. So we'll search for view data right here. After that we're gonna make Twitter public function, no for update, this for delayed, yeah, this, and then dollar data equal input find ID, yes, like this, and then yeah, dollar data delay, save, and you can see, you can refresh, and then delete this, and it's already gone. That is done. So we're gonna make for update. Okay, right here we're gonna clear, and then you can make Livewire for update. PHP artisan make Livewire, update. As you can see right here, it's update data. Please enter, and as you can see, we have this update data. Okay, so we're gonna go into the web and then make another route like this, and this one is for update, and then we're gonna call the parameter ID. So we're gonna use this, and this one is update. Yeah, this one, this, and then the name is just update. We can go to the view data right here, and we're gonna make anchor tag. Yeah, this anchor tag, this is for edit. Okay, so we're gonna add for the class btn secondary for the gray one, and then the ref is gonna add like this. We're gonna call it with root, and then the root is with update, then comma. We call the parameter ID with this ID, and then it's for data, $data, and with ID like this. We can save. You see, yeah, this is for add data, right? This is for create, and this is read for edit and delete. We can go to update data right here, and we're gonna copy this one again, copy and paste it right here. Yeah, this, and then we make public for $name, and then make $data ID, and then public for $description. Okay, and then we're gonna make public function. Yeah, public function mount like this, but not like this. We're gonna use mount, and right here is the field for this is $ID, and we're gonna make like this. This data ID is equal $data to ID. Okay, so use of $data. Okay, so I'm gonna add $data first, and then equal input. Yeah, like this input, and then like this where the ID, like this. The ID is $ID the first. Then after that we're gonna make dollar this, and then this for description, $data description. But before that we're gonna add like this, and then save, and let's see the output. Refresh, and we click, it will go to update. So, and then we can go to this one, update, and we can just erase all of that, and we can copy from input like this. We can copy all of that and go to update and paste it right here, and then we can change it into update data, save, and then okay, and then after that we can see right here, refresh, and then if you click the edit, and it'll go here, view data, will go back here. Okay, so, and then we can go to update data. Yeah, right here I'm gonna make another public function for that. Yeah, public function this, and that's for save. We can add like this, and I'm gonna use this validate, enter a name required, and description required, and the close tag, and then for $data equal input. This is for model, yeah, and then where where ID this, yeah, like this, and then enter, and then dollar data name, dollar this name, and then description with description, and then no, dollar data save, like this. Okay, you can save, and right here you can, yeah, it's already saved. You can see and refresh, and let's try to change it like this, or this save. And if you then click, you can click view data again, and the data is already changed. But we can add return redirect, yeah, return redirect into root like this. We don't need this width, so just root. And the root is, we can see, and just close all of that. You can see in the web right here. We're gonna change the view, and then we're gonna copy to here, paste, save, and then we can see right here. Okay, I'm gonna edit. Okay, this save, and let's go back to here. Okay, I think it's enough for this tutorial. I hope you guys understand, and yeah, see you guys in another video. Bye.